Hey guys, my name is Zakir and welcome to our channel BTech Career Guide. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the sales software solution hiring process, which was happened previously. Okay, so I know it's been long. It's been while I made a video on YouTube regarding this hiring process and all, but the schedule is busy. I couldn't find sufficient time to do so. And also, I used to tell people like I'll be posting the video in a couple of hours and then in a day and all, but due to some uh, due to some difficulties and then reschedulings and all, I couldn't post anything. But don't worry, I bought the update for you today. What was the update is like, let me open the exam report. So I know the paper was a bit tough for all the people. They have given this trees, graphs, and then different sets. Okay, so it was unpredictable that every year the paper pattern changes, and we also didn't predict that they will be giving the candidates this tough paper. But anyhow, few of the people have written the exam test. That's good to know. And then from this test, you need to understand and analysis yourself. How what are the next steps that you need to take to crack any other company exams. Okay, so just practice yourself, do some coding on online platforms, learn again, restart your coding, and then the few MCQs topics, and then mostly aptitude and reasoning, and then English, which plays in a crucial role when you come into this private sector area. Okay, so the main focus would be for you is to focus on your coding skills. I know few people have written the code in an excellent manner, and then few they have written nothing, just print statements, and then a few people have just written the written statement. But I can understand you guys. I can understand, just you want to make you pass the test case, you have written in that way, but that's not the actual thing that you need to do. You need to write big sort of code. I'm not discouraging anyone here, but you have completed your 4 years of bachelor's, and in case if you are unable to write a single line of code, then look at what you have gained so far. So don't worry, okay, don't get demotivated. There are a lot of chances that you will be getting. Okay, so this is not the company that only hiring all the people of 2026 and 2027 batches. There are more companies to come in, so just prepare for that companies. And then in case if you need any assistance, just drop us a message. We'll be helping you to assist how to crack your interviews and all. That's it. And coming back to the sales software solution hiring process, is the video recording? Yes, recording. Hiring process. It's been around thousands of applications that sales software solution have received. From all of them, mostly they are filtered around 100 or some more people too for the interview rounds. And from there on, I'll be writing a here. Just leave that. Okay. So what's the date today? 27 slash 07 slash 2026. Okay, so this is the date. By the let's open the calendar. Okay, clear all this. By the first week of August, you will be getting the shortlisted mails for all the candidates who have cleared the manager round. Okay, first week of UDUST. Okay, for the first week of August, you will be getting shortlisted mails. Few people were sent for the manager round on the same day itself when they clear the technical interview. Okay, so they'll be you'll be getting the HR shortlisted or HR communication mail by the first week of August. Okay, and in case if you clear the HR round, in HR round you need to be pretty neutral. Okay, so don't go into this route or don't go into this dignify degrading yourself kind of situation. Be neutral. Okay, in case if you don't know the answer, just tell them that okay, I didn't prepare much for this, I'll be learning it later and all. And what I simply say is like, just be neutral when you're answering all the questions and be positive. Okay, so HR needs all the positive attitude, and mostly they'll be looking at your communication skills, how you're speaking, and how the fluency it is, how you are able to communicate to the people and all. So in case if you can make that difference, then you are in. Okay, and mostly speak fluently. Okay, you're almost in. And for the first week of August, you'll be getting shortlisted mail for all the people who clear the MR round. And by the mid August, you will be onboarded to Don't worry about the spellings. I'm pretty bad at it. Okay. So by the mid of August, you'll be onboarding to sales software solutions. We are eagerly waiting for you to waiting for you. Okay, let me precise. We are eagerly waiting to receive you to our company. Okay. So by the mid August, you'll be there with me only. So in the third floor, you'll be staying in the third floor. I'll be staying in the second floor. No worry. No worries, okay. And by the mid of August, you will be onboarding to sales software solutions. So this is the main update. HR on will be there, okay. So that communication I need to get from the HR team, okay. But understand this, by the first week of August, you will be getting the shortlisted mail who have cleared the manager round, and I know few people have cleared the technical round but couldn't able to attend the manager round. Don't worry, all the rounds will be taken on the same day itself. Like mostly they'll be connecting the HR on, and then they'll be uh, concluding your profile there itself. And by the mid of August, you'll be onboarding to sales software solution for the 3 months exclusive internship on different technologies. So technologies we'll be giving you. Okay. So based on that, for the 3 months period, we'll be training you. Not only me, but there are few other mentors who actually train people. So you'll be assigned one mentor for this particular 3 months, and you need to report your progress, what you're doing, what you're learning, and all the stuff. So we'll be explaining you in detail once you come and learn from us. Okay. So we have a lot of people who actually working in our company for decades. Okay. So they have lot of years of experience, and they started building without using AI. See how they are. Okay. So now AI is in, and most of the people are you trying to use AI. And because of AI, it's not only many company have collapsed, but the BTech career guide also collapsed because of this AI thing. So initially we used to get a lot of projects from different students and then different companies, but now what happened is like students are making their own projects, and then the small companies which was the websites and all, web designing and small tasks to build applications where they are doing their own. So we are shortage of revenue, but anyways, we do actually help people, right? So nothing apart from that, we taking at the positive note, so we started again, and then things going in a positive way for so far. So okay, let's come back to the discussion. So this is the entire summary of the next stage of sales software solutions, okay. And that's it, guys. And from here, this is a separate section for the hiring process. And this is only for the experienced people, okay, from 4 years, 3 years and all. So there is a company called Blue Ocean Digital India, which is currently hiring experienced people. You can go through the websites online. Okay. Zuck, 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 zuck. Okay. Blue Ocean Digital India. This from now on it is only for the experienced people. Okay. So let us see what they have given. This position, BRM ECE developer, for let me decrease this for experience of 3 to 7 years, and the number of positions are three: BRM, ECE, implementation, SQL, Java, Spring Boot, REST, SOAP APIs, PDC, OCI. So these are the required skills. In case if you have around 3 to 7 years of experience, go for this position, BRM, ECE developer thing. Okay, so less than that also is fine, like 2.5 or 2.8, they'll be considering you. But most in case if you possess all these skills, then you're good to in. And the next role they have released is like lead GenAI LLM engineer for 4 plus years. The LLM came in recently, guys. Anyways, in case if you have 4 years of experience, the position is only one. You need to learn. You need to know about LLMs, RAG, LLM routing, Quadrals. Sorry, I don't know how to pronounce this. Okay, evaluate Python, Azure OpenAI, Vector DBs, data lakehouse, Terraform, Kubernetes, GenAI architecture. So it's a single word. So you need to have 4 plus years of experience, and then you need to have this skill set, and then only one person. Okay. And then there is another thing called mid-level Golang developer. Actually, when I was in my college, like Golang and then Rust programming language were booming. Thereon, I started learning this Rust, but later shifted to a separate domain. Anyways, so this Golang has given this Golang developer need to have around 4 to 7 years of experience. The number of positions are two. They need to know Golang, Kafka, Kubernetes, Docker, microservices, AWS, GCP, Azure, CI/CD pipelines, OCPP, vehicle telemetry, Agile and Scrum. Okay, so these are the skills that they have given for mid-level Golang developer. And coming to the next, full stack Python developer, which is the most trending skill set now. 4 to 8 years of experience. The portion is one. They need to know Python, Flask API, Django, Flask, REST APIs, React.js, TypeScript, PostgreSQL, SQL, MongoDB, Docker, Kubernetes, AWS, Azure, GCP, CI/CD pipelines, microservices, and all. So these are all the skill set that you need to know to apply for this full stack Python developer. And what I told is like these positions are all for the experienced people. Okay, don't send fresher resumes. Okay, I do have the people who are working there, so I can forward your resumes in case if you are really interested for this particular positions. In case if you have this decent experience. Okay, and the next one they have given is like marketing lead growth marketing for 2 to 4 years of experience, 2 to 4 years of MBA or 3 to 4 years of non-MBA. This skill set, this experience, and then your degree must, okay, to apply for this push, to apply for this position. The number of positions are one. You need to know B2B marketing, LinkedIn ads, Google ads, email campaigns, lead generation, content marketing, conversation optimization, and all to apply for this marketing lead growth marketing. And the next one, QA automation engineer for 3 to 5 years of experience. The portion is one. They have given the skills for API testing, UI, automation, Postman API, Selenium, and Cypress. So these are all the roles that they are looking for from the Blue Ocean Digital India. Okay, so this is a website. Okay, CSS didn't load yet. Anyways, okay, uh, you can visit this website later on. My internet is pretty bad. I don't know what information does it recording. Okay, so let's leave this here. So summing up everything, you'll be getting the next phase of interviews from sales software solutions by the next week. Okay, and the next part of this video is Blue Ocean Digital is hiring for experienced people for all the roles, full stack developer, GenAI, QA, and all. So in case if you have decent experience, just send your resumes to, I forgot what to say, mail btech career guide at the rate gmail.com. And one more thing is like one more thing, guys, the sales of the solution hiring process done for all the people, 2026 people. Okay, don't send me the your resumes again that keeping getting called sales of a solution hiring. Today also I have received few emails from the people applying for the sales of the solutions, right? I need to reply all to all the people, and then my team has to reply, right? So simply, I'm saying like the hiring is completed. Now they are going to recruit people into the company. Now, from now on, in case what if I'll be getting a lot of opportunities, right? In case if ask you to drop me a mail, just check all the related experience, the skill set that you need to have to apply for this particular job. Just then drop me a resume. I can forward that to the particular HR team. Okay, so for this particular Blue Ocean, okay, Blue Ocean Digital India, what you need to do in case if you have the skill set and then experience, if you're looking to transition your career, just drop me a mail to btechcareerguide at gmail.com. I will be there to take your resumes, and then I will be forwarding to the HR team. Okay, so that's it in this video, guys. In case if you have any doubts, just you can ping me under this video. I'll be helping you. I'll be addressing all the comments 24 by 7, and sometimes I can, sometimes I might reply late, but mostly will be getting reply. Please do share our channel, join in our communities like Telegram, WhatsApp channel, or WhatsApp community. You'll be receiving a lot of job updates, and do encourage us. Have a great day, guys. Bye bye.